Ayan, so continuation tayo for our sample problems. Here is our sample problem number 23 and here is the problem. So basahin muna natin. Convert 760 mm of mercury to A, oil of specific gravities 0.82 and letter B, water. So dito, pinapa-convert yung pressure head ng mercury to oil and to water. So, kung maalala nyo, we have the formula sa pag-convert ng pressure head. Pressure head, so isulat natin. To convert, ito dito na lang. So, dito, so to convert, ayan. So, to convert pressure head or height, ayan, to convert pressure head or height of liquid A to liquid B. So, meron tayong formula na, di ba, una, yung specific gravity, which is H sub B or height ng liquid B is equal to pressure head or height ng liquid A times, kung given, yung specific gravity. So, specific gravity ng liquid A divided by, so, yan, divided by yung specific gravity ng liquid B. And then, second, or pwede rin gamitin ito kung ang given naman ay density. So, pressure head ng liquid B is equal to pressure head ng liquid A times density. Density ng liquid A divided by density ng liquid B. And then yung third is pressure head ng liquid B is equal to pressure head ng liquid A times unit weight ng liquid A divided by unit weight ng liquid B. So, yan yung tatlo nating pwedeng gamitin in terms of converting pressure head of liquid A to liquid B. So, dito sa problem natin na meron tayong given na 760 mm na mercury. So, mercury yung liquid A natin, and then dito sa problem is gusto niyang i-convert natin into oil and then sa water. So, specific gravity yung given. So, here, ito yung gamitin natin. So, itong 1. So, HV is equal to H sub A times specific gravity of A divided by specific gravity of B. So, yan yung gagamitin nating formula. So, yan. So, proceed tayo sa pag-solve. So, di ba, una, yung pressure head or is height ng mercury ay i-convert daw natin para maging pressure head in terms of oil na siya. So, yan yung una. So, let's say A. And then, yung B naman natin, yung pressure head or height ng mercury ay i-convert daw natin into water. So, let's say H sub W na lang siya. Yan, for water. So, una, so let's say A, ayan, A. So, sa oil muna tayo, oil. So, gamitin natin yung, ito, H sub, so oil. Ayan, so oil is equal to pressure head dito sa mercury, and then times specific gravity of mercury divided by specific gravity of oil. Ayan, so isalpak natin yung mga given. So yung height or pressure head ng mercury is ito. So 760 mm. Ilipat natin into yung mm into meters, so magiging 0.760 meter siya, times yung SG or the specific gravity of mercury is 13.6, di ba? 13.6 divided by yung SG or specific gravity of oil, ito, 0.82. Ayan. And then, ano natin sa calculator, 0.760 times 13.6 divided by 0.82. So the answer would be 12.605 meter. Ayan. So 12.605 meter yung pressure head natin in terms of oil. And then second, so pangalawa is sa water tayo. Ayan, so palitan natin ng water. H sub W is equal to pressure head in terms of mercury times SG ng mercury ulit divided by SG ng water. So, H sub W is equal to 0.760, gayahin lang natin, times SG ng mercury, 13.6, and the specific gravity of water is 1. Ayan. 1 lang siya. So, divided. So, compute natin. So, magiging 10.366 meters. So, yan yung answer natin for pressure head in terms of water na siya. So, na-convert na natin. Yan, dito sa oil, 12.605. So, yan yung mga sagot natin. So, yan yung final answers natin for sample problem number 23.